it persists. The warm, hot when you get out in it, in the sun, it's just continuing. I know there's going to be rain soon, sometime, but not right now. Blue sky, clear, hazy, but with the breeze, yes, the breeze is here. But the cicadas are rubbing their wings, saying it's going to be a hot one. It is going to be a hot one. Here goes a mourning dove. Some swallows. Yeah, it's going to be a warm one. It's my grandson's birthday. And there was a second electric delivery truck. This one had the logo, whatever, the Amazon delivery services. Firefly, something fly, anyway. Same kind of big truck. Electric truck. Hey, why not? That saves you money. Plus, they make those trucks, or made those trucks in Ingersoll till they shut down that assembly line. That's what my son said. So what the guy was doing down here yesterday was getting his two vehicles detailed. He wasn't drywalling or painting. No. Those guys were there detailing their vehicles. Took a lot of time. How long does it take to detail two vehicles? I guess. So my walk today was to the post office, to the pharmacy to get my Catch the Ace. That's a different truck. It's a Loomis. Yeah, so I chatted with the guys there because the truck, the guy that I called by the wrong name was not there. So I said I came today to apologize to him because I called him Nelson when his name is not Nelson. What, by the way, is his name? His name is Dennis. Yeah. The next time I see him, I'll say, sorry, Dennis. I just had Nelson on my mind. I just cannot walk without, no matter how straight and careful I am about walking, I still re-injure myself. So it's kind of hard. I know I have to walk. Walking is essential to maintain my bone health, but I don't know. I should probably see a physiotherapist again and find out how to work that out. Yeah, so we're probably going to have cake today because it is birthday. And then tomorrow they're going to, as I said, far away to the relatives Toronto way. And then Sunday we're going to Guelph, to the other side of the family, my daughter's place, because there is a second birthday. My other grandson has a birthday in August coming close, so we're going to double celebrate that one. Happy birthday, everybody. I suppose that means there's a heat event? I don't think so, because it's not that hot yet. It's just hot. The cicadas are shouting.